Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of glam decorative canisters. So what you're going to need a couple of these oval rhinestone buckles from Totally Dazzled. And you will need some of these rhinestone napkin rings also from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these crystal teardrop pendants, and these are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree: you're going to need 2 of these taper candle holders. You will need 2 packs of these Tealight holders, and you will need 2 of these mini vases, all from Dollar Tree. I've got some peel and stick gemstones. I picked these up at Walmart. However, you can find peel and stick gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete these beautiful decorative canisters, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these glam decorative canisters turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. They're super versatile. You could use them in pretty much any room of your home that you'd like to. And let me know which of the two you prefer. Do you prefer the low version of it, or do you prefer the one with the pedestal? Just let me know which one you prefer. Well, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.